Welcome to another enlightening episode. Just a quick reminder, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Ever found yourself locked out of your own Facebook account? It's a frustrating experience, but don't worry, we have a solution. This video will provide simple steps to recover a hacked Facebook account. First things first, identify the problem. If you can't log in because your password has changed, that's a clear sign your account might be hacked. If you still have access but notice unfamiliar activities like posts you didn't make or messages you didn't send, someone else probably has access to your account. Step 1. Visit facebook.com/hacked. This is an official page by Facebook designed to help you recover a compromised account. Step 2. Click on the button that says, "My account is compromised." This will lead you to a page where you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number linked to your hacked account. Step 3. After entering your email or phone number, Facebook will search for your account. Once it's found, you'll be prompted to enter your old or current password. Step 4. If you can't remember your old password, don't panic. Click on the Forgot Password option. Facebook will then guide you through a series of security checks to confirm your identity. Step 5. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be allowed to reset your password. Make sure to choose a strong password that isn't easily guessable. Step 6. After resetting your password, review your account settings. Make sure to delete any unfamiliar apps and check your active sessions for any unknown devices. Step 7. Lastly, inform your Facebook friends about the incident. This is important because hackers may have sent them malicious links or messages. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Always keep your information private, use a strong password, and don't click on suspicious links. To recap, if you suspect your Facebook account has been hacked, go to facebook.com/hacked, click on "My account is compromised," enter your email or phone number, enter your old password or click Forgot Password, confirm your identity, reset your password, review your account settings, and inform your friends. If you need further assistance or professional help, check the video description or pinned comments. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to recover a hacked Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay safe online, folks.